After the referendum on further powers and the election in May, it's more important than ever for you to understand and influence how the National Assembly for Wales works. One of the ways you can do this is by contacting any of the Assembly members which serve where you live. Every person in Wales has 5 AMs representing their interests in the National Assembly. You can find out who represents you by going to the Assembly Members section of our website and searching by name, constituency, region, or by entering a postcode. Contact details and further information are available on each member's page. The Assembly also has a new committee structure to scrutinise legislation and hold the Welsh Government to account. 5 large committees will be responsible both for scrutinising proposed laws or bills and for scrutinising the Welsh Government. You can contribute information to inquiries that are carried out. This can be in writing, via email or letter. Sometimes it can also be in person or through other methods, including submissions using video or photographs.
The Assembly Committee system will allow the detailed subject knowledge of individual members to deliver excellent scrutiny of legislation as well as government policy. And so, at the same time as simplifying the system, the Assembly has created a structure and environment for better scrutiny of bills, policy and finance. I am confident that this will make it easier for the people of Wales to engage in the Assembly's proceedings, and it will produce the window for smaller organisations to get involved in our work and so better reflect the interests and needs of Welsh voters.
The large committees, comprising 10 members each, cover broad subject areas within the Assembly's devolved fields. They are children and young people, communities, equality and local government, enterprise and business, environment and sustainability, and health and social care. Other committees scrutinise issues such as finance, constitutional and legislative affairs, and standards of conduct. A full list can be viewed on our website. Petitions are another way people can influence Assembly business. All petitions deemed appropriate and within the powers devolved to the Assembly are considered by the Petitions Committee. In the Third Assembly, more than 200 petitions were considered, covering issues as diverse as reducing plastic bag use, cycle paths, support for vulnerable young people, and protecting an historic pub. You can either submit a written petition or use the Assembly's e-petition system through our website, where you'll find more information, including our terms and conditions. The result of the referendum in March means that more of the decisions which affect Wales are now made in Wales, but we need you to influence how those decisions are made. More information on the National Assembly for Wales, including details of how to view proceedings in person or online, is available at www.assemblywales.org.